We are still in a crypto bull market, and anyone that tells you otherwise doesn't know what they're talking about. So, obviously, we heard that CPI came in today a little bit lower than originally planned, and we can see that Bitcoin did a little jump. It went up to 84 and then came back down to 82. For those that don't know, CPI is Consumer Price Index, and basically it's just a measure of how much how much money the average working person has, and if it's gone down or if it's gone up based on last year, based on inflation. So it coming in a bit lower means that inflation technically is a little lower than it was last year in terms of rate of change. And anyway, I don't want to get into the maths. However, why is good for Bitcoin is that if CPI comes in a little bit lower, it means that there's potentially a case for the Feds to cut rate, and if the Feds cut rate, Bitcoin goes up. And we can see that it bounced off that 77 mark. Loads of people got liquidated. I think it was something like 800 million of longs were liquidated when it went down to 77. Now, looking at this liquidation chart, we can see that around $6 billion worth of shorts will get liquidated if Bitcoin goes to around 90K. So I reckon it's going to happen because, the market always does what the least amount of people want it to do. And right now, a lot of people, based on this graph, is saying that, Bitcoin is going to go down. However, it might just not.